Okay, and 9. Okay, square this is 9. 9 what? 9k squared plus multiplication both 15 km or whatever you want, plus 25m squared, something like that. Okay, I guess so. Get the option B, no? B, it's B. It's so big as B. Any question, guy? Any question? Factorization. For students, okay, was late today. I explained. Okay, let me come back. I explained that today is the due date to turn into me the test number 5. Actually, a lot of students send me the test number 5 answer. Okay, but it's today, the due date. You receive in this email that you connected today, you receive the final test on paper. Final test on paper. Final test have only on paper version. No Alex anymore. Alex, we finish in test 5 online. Done. Okay, now this is due, final test is due Wednesday at midnight. Therefore, I will grade this test Thursday in the morning. Okay, and Friday I posted the final grade. Okay, okay, Jasmine. Okay, David. Okay, Brian is here. Dalida, answer me. Okay. Alejandro Aguilar. Okay, let's continue.
I'm here, Professor.
Okay, no, I know that you are, but the problem, you understand? I don't want delay, guy. This is the last moment. I need to post it. It's my
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I cannot wait. No, because I'm sick. No. If you are sick, you have F. Okay, entonces let's see what happens after. It's more complicated. So fix it one grade. It's very complicated. And you talk to me any problem, so I can handle. I can find solutions. Okay, 18 say 729 x cubic plus 1. Well, it's binomial, no? I suppose que it's the sum of cubic, no? I try to find the cubic root of this. The cubic root 729 x cubic. I suppose que es, let me see, let me use my calculator. You suppose que es 9. Okay, is cubic root is, okay, clear, cubic root, okay, here, over there, I found 729, boom, es 9, es 9s, and cubic root 1 also obvious is 1. This is my A and my B in the formula. Okay, I don't want to copy again. Open parenthesis is 9s plus 1, AB. A squared is 81, x squared minus is minus, and the formula is minus when it's a sum. So the formula is A plus B, A squared minus AB plus B squared. Now multiplication is 9s and square the last one, que es 1 y 1 squared. I know que es 1. Entonces es the option. Well, es the option A, ¿no? Es the option A, yes. Okay, super. Any question? No problem. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the 19. On 19 is 4. 4 minus 49 y squared. Wow, this is easy. This is easy. It's differences of the square. It's no common factor. No common factor, no. Entonces, the square root, this guy is 2. So you open two parentheses. Easy. 2, 7y. Plus or minus, done. Okay, is the option D. Es obvio. Es the option D, yeah. This is 19. And 20 is also easy. 20 is m cubic minus 81 m to the 4th power. Well, in this case, you have GCF. The GCF is m cubed. Remember, the GCF is easy in the variable part because you take the smallest part and you factor out m cubic. 1 minus 81 m. And that's it. Yes. That's it, because the expression inside the parenthesis is nothing. No different cubic, no different square. And that's it. This is option C. So far, everyone follow me? Questions? And the factorization, remember, the most important thing is find the GCF. Well, sometimes happens that we have no GCF. Or the GCF is 1, que is equivalent. Now, when you factor out the GCF, so you try to understand what case you are doing. See, it's binomial, trinomial, polynomial, grouping, then trinomial, different kind, regular, special, complicated, and perfect square. Okay, now manipulation difference expression. In this case, division. I don't know why division, but it's okay. 21 say -4 plus 2x divided by 4 divided by another division, a minus 4 or a. Okay, the first thing you should do is, I don't feel comfortable with this division. No. I convert it to multiplication. Okay, multiplication is easier. It's time, and you flip it out. A over a minus 4x. So now I try to do something. So I try to factorization. At least the expression, no? Entonces the great common factor here maybe is 2. It's 2 here. 2 or negative 2, I don't know. 2. Let's factor out 2. That's matters. It's 2 or negative 2. We have negative 2 plus x. And here, the great common factor is obviously 4. Because we have 2 minus x. Something like that, right? Well, okay. Look at that. And the top numerical part, let me consider only numerical part. We have 2 here, we have 4 here, we have 8 here, and we have another 4 here. 2, I copy, 8, I copy, 4, I copy, another 4, I copy here. Separate of the algebra expression. This is 16. Oh, it's 1. Everything is canceled out. Because, look, so you cancel out, for example, so you multiply 16 over 16, no? Because 2 times 8 is 16, 4 times 4 is 16, is 1, and 1 is invisible. It's equivalent to say that everything is canceled. How everything is canceled? Well, you, for example, use simplification between a and 4. Divided by 4 is 1, divided by 4 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So everything is gone. Chunk, and stay alive. Only the expression, okay, the expression is minus 2 plus x. divided by 2 minus x. Okay, this is weird. It's just complicated. No, it's not complicated. They are family, but not twin brothers. They are completely opposite signs. Okay, for example, in the top, 2 is negative, and the bottom, 2 is positive. In the top, x is positive, and the bottom, x is negative. And you see it's the same expression, but a completely opposite sign, and the answer is -1. It's a shortcut. Do you understand this or no? Okay, we have 2 particular examples in algebra. Everyone needs to memorize this. When you divide any expression by itself, suppose 2 minus x divided by 2 minus x. Or 2 minus x divided by x minus 2. Okay, by the way, it's exactly the same as this, no? The answer is 1, because they are twins, brother. However, they are family, but no, it's opposite sign. It's like a brother and sister, maybe. It's -1. So you cancel out. Boom, boom. Why? Because it's +1. You cancel out. Bam, bam. But you the extra -1. It's your shortcut. The answer is -1. Get the option C. Any question? Any question? What part you don't understand very well? Huh? Brother and sister. And twin brothers. Twin brother is identical. Identical is +1. Twin brothers is +1. Brother and sister is -1. Okay, 22. 22 is x squared minus 16 divided by 25 x squared minus 9. Division. X minus 4 over 3 minus x. Okay, the first thing I should do is obviously conversion, division to multiplication. I copy exactly the same. I put time now. No, I'm flipping that. 3 minus x over x minus 4. Good. Now factorization, one by one. Slow down. Okay, the factorization, the first expression is the difference of a square. Square root is x, and square root 16 is 4. Plus or minus. Done. Factorization of the expression in the bottom. Again, it's difference of a square. Square root this guy is 5x. Square root 93. Plus or minus. Doesn't matter what is plus, what is minus. The order is not important. We have here 3 minus 5x and x minus 4. Wow, fantastic. I can see clear. Okay, these and these are twin brothers. I can cancel out. But these and these are family, is brother and sister. And you cancel out, but the extra thing is -1. So what is the answer? The answer is minus. Stay alive, x plus 4, 5x plus 3, something like that. But the minus in the front, in the top, or in the bottom, either way. Oh no, it's the option A. Look at that. Clear, option A. Do you see? Question. Do you see or no? Answer me. Do you see or no? Confusing or clear? Huh? Yes. Okay, David. Okay. Move on then to the 23rd. Say c squared plus 9z plus 20 divided by c squared plus 11c plus 30 division c squared plus 2z over c squared plus 2z minus 24. Okay, I copy the first fraction exactly the same. However, I change this operation from division to multiplication, and I will flip the second fraction. C squared plus 2z minus 24, c squared plus 2c. Okay, let's do it in the factorization. Here, exactly in the same place here. Trinomial, 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 trinomial. This is not trinomial, this is binomial, but it's easier. This is easy.
Little gen la bliye. Li
What
men
did-
tou gen la bliye.
Ow. Who's this? Okay. Dalida. All right, let me put it mute. Yeah, finish. Okay. This is the situation in the online class. Okay, CC. Okay. Wait. The combination in the first 20 and 9. I suppose get 5 and 4. 5 and 4, no? Because 5 times 4 is 20. And somehow 5 plus 4 is 9. It's a plus plus. Okay. And 30 and 11 is 6 and 5. 6 and 5 because 6 times 5 is 30. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus plus. And the last one is, I suppose, is 6 and 4, no? Because 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 6 minus 4. Done. And here, the only thing you should do is GCF. GCF is C. C plus 2. Ready. Ready. When you finish the factorization, to say you are ready to cancel out the common factor in the top and the bottom by couple, twin brother or family. But in this case, C plus 5, I see here, is cancel out. C plus 4 stays, 6 plus 6 cancel out. One more cancel out, no more, no? No, we good, no. Let's stay, C plus 4. And C minus 4. At the bottom, C plus 2. I don't know, see the answer, they leave it like that. Okay, oh no, let me see. Something's weird. I did something wrong, no? Oh, yes, stupid mistake. Because I copied wrong and nobody helped me. This is 4. Look, this number. I copied wrong. This is 4, no? 4. 4. Okay, don't worry, be happy. Si es 4. Entonces, this factorization es obvio que es 4 here. Ow. 4 and 4. Okay, it's 4. It's 4. And this is also cancel out. Bam. Bam. I'm only stay alive. C minus 4 over C. Okay, is the option. Let me see. Option C. Easy? My mistake? Alright? You follow me? You follow me? You follow me? Good. Okay. You anything I make a mistake, remember I'm human, no? So I copy, I don't see very well. Okay. Boom. Okay, let's move on to the number 24. Similar. Is C squared plus 9z plus 14. This is division, no? Okay, C squared plus 13c plus 42. Division. Division C squared. This is similar to C. Because I copied wrong because I copied the 24 instead of C squared plus 11, 11C plus 30. Okay. Just remember, I copy that. You convert it to multiplication and flip it. Either way, you can factorization exactly on this expression or no. Let's do it in a different way. Let's do it backward. So I do the factorization this. S is Z. Is 7, 2. Because 7 times 2 is 14, 7 plus 2 is 9, plus plus. This is C. This is 7 and 6, plus plus, because 7 times 6 is 42, and 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay. This is CC. Is 6 and 5, plus plus. And this is C plus 2. Wow. C plus 2 is cancelled with this. C plus 7 is cancelled with that. C plus 6 is cancelled with that. Stay alive only. C plus 5 in the top. And just C in the bottom. Okay, like an option C there. Boom. Easy, easy, easy. Any question? No? So basically the strategy is you convert division to multiplication. You factorization one by one. This is the long part, no? Each expression. And you cancel out the common factors. So the factor gets repeated, no? Twin brothers or family. And remember, when you simplification family, you put extra -1. Okay, this is the last one. Oh no, the last one in this page. I don't know, x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 21. Division, wow. Paréntesis, x squared minus 11x plus 28. Bueno, entonces something is missing. Bueno, when something is missing, entonces I suppose que this denominator is missing, que es 1. And when you flip it, this stays the same. And then you think and bring me this example. No, one guy is missing, however, you suppose que es 1. Time, entonces you flip it. 1 over x squared minus 11x plus 28. And let's do it in factorization, one by one. Open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 parentheses. The variable in any case is x. Wow. And the first one, the combination is 4 and 3. It's obvious, right? 4 times 3 is 12, 4 plus 3 is 7, negative both. Same sign, negative both. In this case, 7 and 3. 21 and 7 plus 3 is 10, negative both again. In this case is 7 and 4. Because 7 times 4 is 28, 7 plus 4 is 11, negative both. Who is cancelled? Well, x minus 4 is cancelled. X minus 3 is cancelled. And stay alive, x minus 7, we cannot cancel. Why not? Because both are in the denominator. So in the top, we have nothing, and nothing is 1. In the bottom, we have x minus 7 repeated, x squared. I suppose que the answer can be 1. Like that. Any question? It's on page 3. Do you see that? We can simplification when you have same expression in the top and the bottom. See, we have both in the bottom or both in the top. No, we can do simplification. Okay, let's move on to the same document, or the page 4, I guess so. It's the super review for the test, for the final. There you go, boom. Okay, this is page 1, 2, 3, 4. I suppose it's this. Okay, we continue working. Division. It's division. Everything is division. Let me see. Yeah, it's division. Wow. Okay. Let's do one more because it's the same stupid thing, right? Now, so you want to do everything, no, but it's okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it 26, case x squared minus 81 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 1 division 6x minus 54 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, let's do it. This is difference of a square, and the factorization is, well, no, sorry. First of all, we have to flip it, no? No. So x squared minus 81 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 1. I copy exactly the same time, now flip it up. X squared plus 3x minus 4. 6x minus 54. Okay, factorization. One by one. 2 parentheses. Difference of a square. XX 99. Plus or minus. Done. Edit that. Let's move on to the second part. The second part, wow, it's trinomial. XX. Oh, what is the combination? The combination, they are perfect square because it's 1, but it's okay. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, negative both. Okay, super. What about the next? Trinomial. XX, 4 and 1. 4 and 1? Yeah. Plus 4 and minus 1. Okay. And here is binomial. But is there a common factor? Yes, 6 is common factor. Because I know, okay, 6 times 9 is 54. It's x minus 9. Wow, good. I like that. Now, x minus 9 cancel. X minus 1. It cancel only 1. Stay alive only 1. Okay. Therefore, my final answer is then x plus 9 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. When you have one factor, for example, on the top and the bottom, we don't need to put the parentheses. You put the parentheses if you want, but not mandatory. Entonces, now the answer I suppose is C. Okay, guys, you consider necessary continuing 27, 28, 29. Let me know. I obey your command. Si you say yes, professor, I continue. Si I say no, I am boring to do this stupid thing, well, entonces I stop and move on to the next topic. One more, okay. Angelica is one more, okay, no problem. One more, 2 more, 3 more, or everything. Okay. Angelica, say one more. Okay, Angelica. Look, okay. The next is y cubed minus 10y over y squared minus 100. Division. Wow, but everything is division. Well, I create this package. Okay, everything is division because division multiplication is the same. The only extra step in the division can you flip it, the second fraction. In multiplication, no. y squared plus 5y minus 14. Y squared plus 17y plus 7. Okay, this is my number 27 problem. Okay, doing. Entonces, flip it. Okay, I copy the first, exactly the same. Tiny now, and flip it. Okay, good. Okay, let's do the factorization directly here. Why not? In this case, the great common factor is binomial, but not different of a square because it's not even and not cubic. No. GCF, I can see GCF and y squared minus 10. And unfortunately, 10 is not perfect square number. For this reason, we cannot continue factorization. Okay? In this case, yes. In this case, is different of a square. y 10 because the square root 100 is 10 plus or minus. In this case, it's a trinomial regular. y, the answer is 10 and 7. 10 times 7 is 70, and 10 plus 7 is 17, plus. In this case is, I have no idea, 7 and 2, I guess so, 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14, 7 minus 2 is 5, this is positive and this is negative. Okay, ready. What is cancelled? Well, y plus 10 is gone. Y plus 7 is gone. I guess so. That's it. Because this is a y squared minus 10. It is to stay in the top. Y squared minus 10. In the bottom, stay y minus 10. Like a factor, and y minus 2. Wow. I guess so is this answer. So look. I guess so. So we continue doing that or skip that part? Opinion. Let me check attendance again. Alex Manuel, Kevin, Noel, Juan Gómez, Samuel Campos, Santana, Kendry, Angélica, Alejandro, Alida, David, Ryan, Sherman Collins, and Edward Hernandez. Okay, I want to repeat again for the students that are late, double late. Today is the day kids do the test number 5. Okay, so you have not received. Okay, I don't think so, but well, okay, I don't know. You let me know. I send a copy of this. Okay, today in this email that you connected with Skype, I am sending, or I was sending the final test. Let's do this Wednesday. Okay, I suppose that we have lecture today and what we have short lecture Wednesday. So Wednesday I again I send the link. Friday no. It's Friday no. So the last day is Wednesday. This Wednesday I send the link and we continue doing this review, no? The thing you want, I repeat again. They are a little bit complicated thing of the word problem. I want to explain it Wednesday. And you can start doing the final test is super easy. And the test number 5 you see is easy. It's only 10 questions. So you have no possibility. Of course you are doing, no? To fail this class. I guess so. Entonces, opinion. We continue or no? Continue, right? Continue in the same order, right? Or no? Opinion. I need opinion. Professor, I feel strong. Professor, I feel weak. You need to train more. Yes or no? Hey, what's going on? Everyone is sleeping? Edward? No. Angelica dice no, no more. Another opinion. Sherman, Collins, opinion. I agree. Okay. I understand. It's expecting. Agree. What mean to be agree? Can we skip? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the addition subtraction. Addition subtraction. Addition subtraction, you know, it's a little bit more complicated because addition subtraction, you need to find, for example, 31st. You need to find a least common denominator. Okay. Es obvio. Okay, let me recall something. When you multiply 2/3 time, here, no here. 2/3, let me try to find one nice example. 5/4. You multiply top is 10, bottom is 12. And after you reduce the lowest term, in this case, you divide by the GCF. Okay, the 10 is to 5, 12 is to 6, to 3, and you can see at least 1, 2 is cancelled out. So it's 5/6. Okay, this is multiplication. However, in addition or subtraction, it's not like that. We cannot adding. This is stupid. 2 plus 5. No. You find the least common denominator. Least common denominator is 12. And you condensing this fraction using the same denominator, because the least common denominator is 12. So what is the procedure? You divide 12 divided by 3, is 4, times the corresponding numerator. The action is, okay, look, the action is, I know that you know that, however, I want to repeat. You divide mentally in your mind 12/3, that's 4. And this 4 you multiply by the numerator, que is 2, is 8. That means that the fraction 2/3 and the fraction 8/12 are equivalent. But now it's easier to express it using the common denominator. Likewise, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And you adding to say it's 13, 23, no? Over 12. In this case, unfortunately, we cannot simplification, leave it like that, and that's it. Okay, addition or subtraction is impossible doing in this order. No. You need to express it in the common denominator. What is the common denominator you adding here? Okay. Okay. This is classical idea. Okay, let's move on to the original problem. In this case, when we have unfortunately, the problem I explained was numerical. But it doesn't matter if it's numerical or algebraic expression. The least common denominator is obvious, is the both. Because remember the rule of selection of the least common denominator is you select every factor. But when you have repetition, you take the majority of them in one expression. In this case, no majority because it's x and x plus 5 together, no? And x plus 5 divided by x plus, mentally process this is my mind. This is my intuition. Look, you divide least common denominator one by the corresponding denominator. Okay, the first denominator is x plus 5. It's obvious that this is cancelled and stay only x times 5, so 5x. Likewise, LCD again divided by x. Okay, the second denominator. X is cancelled, stay x plus 5 times 3, so plus 3 times x plus 5. Do you understand very well this process or no? We don't finish. We keep going. What should I do? Well, I need to remove parentheses. Wow. I need to remove parentheses. And also plus 3x plus 15, no? So you distribute here and we combine later. Okay. This is 8. This is 15. And we cannot do anything more, I suppose. Let me check it. Yeah. It's like a D, no? It's like a D. It's like a D. Oh, another important thing. When you adding, suppose you have, look, A plus B divided by A minus B. We cannot simplification this. No. We cannot simplification when you have plus and minus. We can simplification when you have time. Here, right? This in this case, when it's time, yeah, but when it's plus or minus, no. The idea is clear. Look, the classical example, numerical to understand. 64 divided by 16. And the people say, no, well, okay, professor, I cancel out these 6. No. Why no? Because 64 is 60 plus 4 divided by 10 plus 6. If you cancel out this 60 and this 6, it's no good. Because you need to cancel out the same number. That's 60 divided by 60. Or 6 divided by 6. You cancel out, guess what? In this case, no, it's illegal. Totally. You understand this or no? Okay, when it's plus or minus, no, cancel out. When it's time, yes. That's the thing we are doing every day. Cancel out when you have time. Okay, let's move on to practice addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction is a little bit more complicated because you need to find least common denominator. Okay, let's do it. Suppose 4 over R plus 7 over R minus 2. So we get the LCD is both together, R minus 2. When you divide LCD divided by R, stay R minus 2 times 4. So 4 times R minus 2. Plus 7 times something. When you divide R times R minus 2 divided by R minus 2, it's obvious mentally in my mind that this guy cancel out. In my mind. Now stay R times 7. Boom. That's it. No. I need to remove that parenthesis and try to combine later. 4R minus 8 plus 7R divided by R minus 2. And 4 plus 7 is 11, R minus 8 over R minus 2. Boom. 11R minus 8. Okay. Is the option A, no? Yeah. It's the option A. That's similar, but no. Be careful with the sign. When they say is family, pero es no twin brother, entonces eso negative 1. Entonces no good. Okay, I like that. Important, I like it. I like that. Okay, I suppose that this thing I am doing too fast because of the review, no? And we covered this in your moment, no? And you great in the test number 3. Okay. Look, this is interesting. This is 3 over x plus 3 minus 3 x minus 3. So some people say, no, professor, the answer is 0. Because 3 minus 3 is 0, no? At least the top part is 0, at least. This is wrong, completely wrong. Because to combine the top part, you need to express it using the common denominator. Totally wrong. Mistake. So you find the LCD. LCD, in this case, the multiplication both is x plus 3 times x minus 3. When you divide this by the first denominator, stay alive only x minus 3 times 3. So it's 3 times x minus 3, the opposite. Minus 3 times x plus 3, by the same way. Finish? No, of course no. We can apply distributive property and we combine later. 3x minus 9 minus 3x minus 9 divided by x plus 3 x minus 3. Well, this is gas. So, you know, and this is 18 minus 18 over 1. Okay. You can leave it like that. However, I saw here in the choice we have no x plus 3x minus 3. The reason is que the student or the professor guy doing this, doing the multiplication foil, that part. And foil is super easy in this case because they are conjugate. Entonces, bueno, okay, pero suppose que I don't remember conjugate. You multiply x times x, x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Positive 3 times x plus 3x. And this is minus 9. And this is always cancel out when you're talking about conjugate. And stay x squared minus 9. Boom, final answer. Final answer. Que corresponde with the option A. A option. Any question? Do you see or no? Super. Okay. We are the best in Miami-Dade College. Okay, we finished page 4. Page 4. Moving on to page 5. And that document is super review for the final. Okay, here, over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 5. Okay, in this case, yes, I want to do everything. I want to do because I know that additional subtraction is complicated. So it's 4x over x plus 5 plus 3 times x minus 5. Okay, again, the same procedure. You find the least common denominator. Some cases it's easy, but some cases no. But that is the reason I want to cover every possibility. Okay, entonces now in the LCD es obvio que es the collection both. Okay, when you divide LCD by the first denominator, it's obvious to stay x minus 5 times 4x. 4x times x minus 5 plus 3 times x plus 5. Something like that. Okay, let's do it. So now you distribute here 4x squared minus 20x plus 3x plus 15. Temporary, I want, well, no, okay. We combine like that. So 4x squared minus 17, no? X plus 15. And don't forget, the bottom part is x plus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, 4x squared minus 17 divided by x plus 5, x minus 5. I guess so. One more time. Que es the option B. Because the option B, no? B. Because they are doing the multiplication, this and this. Okay, one shortcut to do super fast this. I know very well that A plus B and A minus B is equal A squared minus B squared. It's a difference of a square. Okay, we can use it in both directions, like a factorization or multiplication. In this case, we use multiplication. Look, this is x plus 5 times x minus 5. I know that the answer is 2, guys. Subtraction. Que es square A, que es x squared. And 5 squared, que es 25. 5 squared, que es 25. The answer is x squared minus 25. The student that don't remember this, no problem. You foil, and always you get the answer. Okay, but I encourage to do it that way because it's easier. Then you need to improve your algebra. In college algebra, okay, in college algebra, you apply special multiplication, conjugate, and twin brothers. Okay, this is the option A. Okay, super. Okay. Let's move on to 35. And 35, I need your participation. Okay. Let me do a step by step. What is the least common denominator in your opinion? Use in the chat or open the microphone and express your answer. So I'm waiting for you. What is the least common denominator in between this expression? In x plus 6 squared and x plus 6 without a square. What is the least common denominator? Angelica Jimenez say it's x plus a square. Everyone is agree or disagree? Agree or disagree? It's good or it's wrong? Agree or disagree? It's a classical problem. It's a classical problem. The student confuse LCD and greater common factor. Es obvio que the greater common factor is x plus 6. Because it's a repetition, no? Pero you take, however LCD you take the majority. And the majority is this. Bueno, professor, what is the reason I don't take 3? Instead, because we have 2 plus 1 is 3. What do you think? ¿Es 3 o es 2 o es 1? Que 1 is this, no? We have 3 possibilities. X plus 6 squared. X plus 6 cubed. Wow. Or x plus 6 without power, que es 1, que by the way is again x plus 6. Angelica, you reconsider your idea again or no? Angelica. What means yes, Angelica? Es square, es cube o es 1? Es square. Very well, Angelica. Okay, so LCD, I want to repeat again the idea. Is you take, when they are repetition, in this case intentionally, I put repetition. You take the majority of them. Okay, entonces, bueno, professor, but what's the reason that you don't take everything? Well, because it's the least common denominator. Okay, o sea, x es obvio que x plus 6 cubic es a múltiplo, es a common múltiplo, ¿no? But I need to take the least common múltiplo. This is the least common múltiplo. Okay, super. Entonces, the least common denominator is x plus 6 squared. Everyone is agree? You need extra explanation for this? Everyone need extra explanation for this or no? No? Okay, everyone understand it's the majority and one number. So you have 2 and 1. And you take 2. Now, so you have 3, 5, and 7. I take 7. Okay. Okay, now when you divide mentally x plus 6 squared, que es the LCD. This is our least common denominator, divided by denominator 1, and denominator 1 by coincidence is the same. Que es this? This is denominator 1. Well, it's 1. The answer is 1. If 1 times 7 is just 7. And makes sense because this fraction is equivalent to this. It's exactly the same thing. However, in the second division, when you divide LCD by denominator 2, que is x plus 6 squared, divided by x plus 6 no square, the answer is x plus 6. And x plus 6 times 2 is 2 times x plus 6. Do you follow me? Do you follow me? Do you follow me? Now, finally, distribute the property and combine later. This is 7 plus 2x plus 12 over x plus 6. That process, I consider a mental process. Let's do here again to emphasize the idea, but no, I don't want to do anymore. Finally, you adding is 19. It's 2x plus 2x plus 19 divided by x plus 6 squared. It's like option A. Boom. Okay, it's doing. Any question? Okay, let's move on to the number 36. I want to your participation. Okay, subtraction. And the rule is the same, subtraction or addition. Okay, my question is, what is the least common denominator? I need participation. Come on, opinion. Use on the chat. Don't hesitate. Si you make a mistake, no problem. You are students. I understand. This is no test. But I want that you express your opinion. Because at least I try to understand, no? So you have a weak situation in this. What is the least common denominator in this case? No idea. Nobody have idea? Wow. A ver, Juan, try. Angelica, try again, I know that you can. And why not Yasmin? And why not David? And why not Brian? Okay. O why not Alex Manuel? Or why not Samuel Campos? Come on. LCD, no idea. Okay, Kevin said s squared minus 25. Maybe you are a little bit excellent, Angelica. Angelica say, because first of all, Okay, both Kevin and Angelica get the same answer, but in different. Okay, the first thing you should do to find the least common denominator is factorization. See, I try to confuse you. Okay, entonces now, this expression is prime. Nice. But this expression, no. I need to factorization. I realize que it's the difference of a square, 5, plus or minus. Now you select what is the least common denominator. The rule says you take every factor. When they have repetition, you take the majority in one expression. So definitely x plus 5 I need to take. And x minus 5 you have to take per one time, not two times. You take either one. Okay, and this is the same to write x squared minus 25. Okay, so Kevin answered that part, Angelica answered that part. It's okay. It's okay. Now, what should I do after that? Well, I condense everything, every fraction, in only one common denominator, que is x plus 5 times x minus 5, or the way you want. Or you write like that, x squared minus 25. It's the same. But in my opinion, it's easy to see in that way. Because when you divide this divided by this is 1, and it stays only 10x. Minus x, okay, this x, this. When you divide this divided by this, stay alive, x plus 5. Okay. Now, distribute and combine. You ending always in this step. Entonces, 10x minus x squared minus 5x divided by x plus 5, x minus 5. I don't know, see, we need to do another simplification. 10x, x squared. No, of course, coño. You have to, look, this is a light term. 10 and 5, a 5. Entonces, 5x minus x squared over x plus 5, x minus 5. And we can do something more. I suppose que yes. Because in the top part, we have greater common factor, que is x. You factor out x. And we have 5 minus x divided by x plus 5, x minus 5. And we can simplification something. Yes, we can simplification this guy and this guy because they are family. No twin, family. See, a family is negative, extra negative 1. The answer is negative x over x plus 5. I guess so. Let me check it just in case. Let me check it. Okay. Yes, that's the answer. Look, B. The answer is B. Do you see that? Okay. Never stop. You keep working to simplification to, lowest term. Okay. Any question? Do you understand very well the last idea of the family? No twin family. Are you clear this or no? I need to make sure that you understand this is a family idea. Yes or no? A ver. Angelica, do you understand very well this is a family, no? When it's a family, you can simplification, negative extra, negative 1, right? Angelica. Yes, she understands. And Kevin, you understand, right? Okay, super. I suppose que everyone understand or no? Sherman, Collins, do you understand or no? Okay, no answer. Are you sleeping, Sherman? Edward Hernandez, Dalida. Answer me, come on. Okay, good. Okay, super. Continue. Okay. Okay, now 37. 37 say. 37 say. 7x over x squared minus 5x plus 6 minus 28 over x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now my question is, what is the least common denominator? Wow, I have no idea. Why not? Because you need to factorization first. Okay? Doing it that way is impossible to see. So now trinomial, trinomial. Trinomial, trinomial. Okay, red color. Trinomial, trinomial. Trinomial, trinomial. In that case, the combination is obviously 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, negative of. In this case, the combination is 4 and 2. And 4 and 2 negative of, no? Okay. So what is my least common denominator? Come on, help me. To determine the least common denominator in that case. Come on. Who's in the chat? Come on. LCD. Frances, join. Oh, Frances, you late. It's excellent, 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 Brian, excellent. Brian say, wow, professor, LCD es obvio que es x minus 3, x minus 2, one time, and x minus 4. Okay, you take every factor, and when they are repetition, you take majority, but in this case, no majority. Is only one time x minus 2. The only guy gets repeated is x minus 2, but you take one time. And you condensing, this allow me condensing this fraction in only one using the LCD. When you divide the LCD by that denominator, que es the first, es obvio que x minus 3 es cancel y x minus 2 is cancel. Stay only x minus 4 times 7. And we have 7x stay x minus 4 minus 28 times something. And the second, well, when you divide LCD divided by the second, es obvio que x minus 4 is cancel, x minus 2, and stay only x minus 3. Entonces x minus 3, ¿no? X minus 3. ¿Ahí di igual o no? Okay, let me check it just in case. X plus 4 times 7x and 28 times x minus 3. Okay, now the rest is just distribute the property. Que es 7x squared minus 28x minus 28x again plus, entonces I put in the calculator 28 times 3, 84. Okay, entonces 7 so far. I manipulate the top part is 28 times 2, 56 plus 84 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 4. I can do something. I suppose que yes, because in the top part, the the GCF is 7. Let me check in just in case. Well, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And 84 divided by 7 is 12. Nice. So the GCF is 7. We have x squared minus ax plus 12 over x minus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 4. Well, I think no, because I need to investigate what's going on in the trinomial on the top. Trinomial on the top is regular. X minus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 4. Okay, this is the combination, I suppose, que es 6 and 2, no? Yeah, 6 and 2. 6 and 2, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 plus 2 is negative. Okay, and the only factor we can cancel out is x minus 2. And the final answer then is 7 x minus 6 over x minus 3 x minus 4. Let's check it. 7. We are doing this. Yeah. It's A, of course, A. Exactly, by coincidence. So not always you expect that your answer is equal to this. But the thing is that you try to, because in algebra, we have two expressions completely different, and they are equivalent, no? So don't frustrate. When you get one answer, you need to investigate. In this case was a coincidence. But in another case, no, you need to investigate what should I do, what continue doing in order to express it in the way that they want. Or Bauer. Another possibility is express, no, it's the logical idea, yes. Okay, you answer, you need to take for the choice we have. Okay, 38 is m minus 6 divided by m squared plus 11m plus 28 plus 5m minus 2 over m squared minus 2m minus 24. Okay, addition, subtraction, LCD. To find the LCD, we need mandatory factorization. Okay, factorization, the expression in the bottom, of course. This is m 4m. This is 7 and 4, because 7 plus 4 is 11, 7 times 4 is plus. This is 6 and 4, I guess so. 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Negative and positive. LCD is the collection. M plus 7 you take. M plus 4 you take only one time. And M minus 6 you take also. And this is my LCD. And my LCD are using to condensing this fraction in only one. How? Well, you put the long line, and the bottom you put the LCD is m plus 7, m plus 4, m minus 6. And you divide systematically LCD by denominator 1 and denominator 2. And the answer of this division, you multiply by the corresponding numerator 1 and numerator 2. Okay, let's do it, but mentally, no? Not mentally. So using different color. For example, when you are doing the first division, okay, it's the LCD divided by denominator 1, it's obvious que x plus 7 is cancelled and x plus 4 is cancelled. And stay only n minus 6 times itself. It's a coincidence, but not always happen. N minus 6 times itself plus. When you divide now the LCD again by the second denominator, bueno, x minus 6 is cancelled, y x plus 4 is cancelled. Stay n minus 7, stay x plus 7, sorry, times the expression that we have in the numerator, que es 5m minus 2. Okay, this is the most complicated part. Do you follow me? Do you understand this? This is the most complicated part. The rest is just multiplication, in this case FOIL. You FOIL here, and you FOIL here, because they are binomial, no? M times m squared, m times 6m, 6m. This is 6m again, and plus 36. Keep going. Plus 5m squared. This and this. This and this is minus 2m. This and this is 35. M. And this is negative 14. Okay, let's continue to manipulate the top part. And temporarily we ignore the bottom part. And the final answer, no, of course. So we have a 5, 1 and 5 is 6. M squared. This and this and this and that are light term. 6 and 6 together is 12. And 12 plus 2 is 14. The negative part is 14. Minus 35 is positive, is 21. 21m. And the numerical part is 36 and 14. 36 minus 14, 22. Well, okay, divided by something. Divided by n plus 7, n plus 4, and n minus 6. This is weird. Let me check and see I am doing well or not. Okay. Oh yes, I'm doing well. Es the option B. ¿Es option B o es option? A ver, n más 7. Yeah. Minus es B, right. Es B. Okay, one more. Do you follow me? Are you feel strong in the addition subtraction? Different fractions with different denominator. Suppose another scenario in which you have the same denominator. Entonces, in this case, don't necessarily to do LCD. So see, you, for example, you have two fractions. Suppose that you adding or subtracting, doesn't matter. 2/3 plus 5/3. In this case, no necessarily LCD, because the only denominator that we have is 3, and you automatically add in the top part. It's 7. But this is the easy case, no? Not always happen that. Okay, let's do it. The last one is 3 over y squared minus 3y plus 2 plus 7 over y squared minus 1. Okay, LCD again. What is the LCD? Well. Professor, I need to do the factorization first. Okay, I understand. Try. Trinomial, binomial. Why? 2 and 1. Because 2 times 1 is out. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, minus both. No. Yeah, minus both. Yeah. In this case, difference of a square, y, 1, plus or minus. It's obvious que LCD is y minus 2, y minus 1 only one time, and y plus 1. This is my LCD. Okay, now I'm condensing everything in only one big fraction, in which I put on the bottom LCD. And when you divide LCD divided by the first, it's obvious that y minus 2 is cancelled, and y minus 1 is cancelled, and it stays 3 times y plus 1. Plus, because it's addition my problem, plus 7 times something. Entonces, when you divide LCD by denominator 2, and then y plus 1 is cancelled, and y minus 1 is cancelled, and stay only y minus 2. Y minus 2, of course, times 7. Y minus 2. Okay, let's do in the distributive property here. 3y plus 3 plus 7y minus 2. Minus 2, no, minus 14. Minus 14. Divided by y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. Okay, let's do it. Combine is 3 plus 7 is 10y minus 11, no? Because 14 minus 3 is 11, divided by y minus 2, y minus 1, and y plus 1. Okay, this is my answer. I have no sure if it is correct or incorrect. I need verification on the page. Wow. Let's see. Yes, the option C. Y, 10y minus 11. The multiplication, yes, it's C. It's the option. Okay, guys, entonces I recommend stop here for a moment, because we have in the super review for the final, we have the complicated part, the word problem. I want to explain in detail Wednesday. Let me repeat again the idea. Okay, let me go to the stop sharing everything. Do you see my face now? Do you see my face? No more anymore. Let me stop recording, because this is totally academic part. No.